What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are working on a Tesla Model X. So I worked on Model 3, Model Y, which is like a mid-sized version of Tesla, and then the Model X, which is like the big boy. It's a really nice car, but also really easy, so don't let the size intimidate you. I mean, there's plastic trims everywhere. You got the plastic trims literally right here. I was thinking I gotta wrap this somehow like a two-piece, but no, it's not like Model Y. This is actually a trim. As you guys can see, it goes all the way down here. So what I'll do is actually just wrap, have a lot of slab right here, and just like whoop, fold it in there. So we do have some damage in the front. I don't know how extreme you guys will rate this, but for me this is really nothing. As you guys could tell, I do a lot of crazy stuff. I mean, I wrap over primer, I wrap over Bondo. This is just plastic, and I don't know what he punctured, but I mean, he got something going on here. As you guys can see, he definitely hit something. So we're gonna have to pull that out, plastic weld the other side. Like I'm gonna use JB welder, and that's it really. And then I'm gonna have to patch in the little line that's obviously gonna show. The color is more on the dark side, so it is gonna show a lot more defects. If this was white or gloss white or anything white, it will cover a lot. That's why a lot of people go with white if their car isn't in the best shape. And I recommend going with white. But if you're going on a darker side, like, you know, mossy green, gloss black, you know, purple kind of shows, those colors really are gonna show a lot. So anyways, fix that. And then he got a couple little things in the back. This damage right here looks like paint was chipping off or something. I don't know what's going on over here, but this is no biggie. I got this. It will look really nice when I go ahead and wrap it. All right guys, so there you guys have it. We finished her up. Pretty simple. I was kind of worried about this part because the spoiler didn't go down. I don't know how to really put it down. This is the first time I'm doing a Model X, so I had to really go around it. But that's good actually, because I was able to go all the way in there pretty nicely. So when the spoiler does go up and people want to check, they're like, oh damn, that's a pretty good job. So yeah, there you go. There she is. She's done. Kind of weird. The plate had to come off. Really difficult to take it off. But yeah, it's also digital, which is really something new. I never seen a digital plate. So yeah, Model X has a digital plate. The bumper was the easiest really. Really surprised over here. So the Model Y that I did a two-piece, but it's really not that aggressive here, and also the spoiler is separate, so it gave me a lot of room to play around with. And so yeah, everything had to come off, the trims, everything. So there you guys have it. We're gonna go do a walk around 360. You're gonna see it in the sun, and then that's it. The owner's gonna enjoy the car. So there you guys have it. It looks really nice in the sun. Really nice. Looks really cool. I'm actually surprised that, you know, for Tinybot this color can be like this. So yeah, there you guys have it. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably going to be doing a Porsche. So yeah, there you go. Peace out.